and a breaker bar.
Why do you have a giant wrench?
My mom gave me that. She said, no matter how broken something is, there's always a way to fix it. Nothing else matters when it comes to it.
You want to stand there? Everybody's going to be commenting that you're doing it.
Slim, thick, crumble skin, 5'5", this bitch a 10. Her done, bills paid, catch me sliding in the beans. I ain't looking for no man, I ain't recruiting no new friends. Get it sexy, get it sexy, get it sexy, get it sexy. Boy, you know this ass super fat. I ain't lying. Fuck me good, I'm throwing that shit back. I'm his favorite. He wanna kiss me all over my tag. I might let him. I'm so fucking sexy, they attack. All these niggas feeling myself cause I.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Colby's Garage. I look like an idiot. This is the first episode of building Hulk. I actually haven't even told you guys what I did. I actually went to an airstrip, blew up my little pulley right here, my upper pulley, and she was tanked. So what made the most sense was, besides buying a $300 pulley, I decided to buy an F1A94, which is gonna go right here. But we had to do a whole bunch of stuff, and then I bought a good old kit from BTR. Bought their Stage 3 LT4 cam. Well, I think it's an LT1 cam, but it doesn't matter, it's all the same stuff. Anyways, I had to do a whole bunch of fan dangling. I actually left the motor in the car. I didn't film any of that because it was kind of like a lot of MacGyvering stuff. So new ARP head studs, everything done up, all new gaskets, everything's redone. The car is a bit of a mess. Got the subframe there. We got a hoist, which is pretty sick. If you guys are new to the channel, that's my Dodge Viper. And yeah, you can still see the sticker from the race, and it literally has not been cleaned since the race. It's been grinding. So I spent way too much money on Snap-on stuff lately. New proud joy of mine. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys how to get the headers back on a 2019 Z06, or really any LT1, LT4, and really what I'm doing so far on my car. Enjoy. The issue we're running into right now is just the plain simple of the headers. Right now, what I decided to go with is a little block of wood. So let's turn on a light here. So what I'm gonna do, jack this all the way up, because we don't have anybody else with us here. We're gonna go like this, and it's just pushing it up. Let's watch it up here. Watch this. Watch how satisfying this is. Absolutely perfect. It'll be even more perfect. Oh, my lights are on. I'm flashing you. If I put the gasket on, I'm gonna go do that.
I don't know what to do cause the niggas after me. I'm so fucking sexy, yeah, my skin is glistening. Diamonds hitting hard, niggas wanna join my team. Get it sexy, get it sexy, get it sexy, get it sexy. Slim, thick, crumble skin, 5'5", this bitch a 10. Her done, bills paid, catch me sliding in the Benz. I ain't looking for no man, I ain't recruiting no new friends. Louis bag filled with bands, gone sexy, do you?
Yeah, how many ponies?
700.
Damn!
Through the years, I think that intensity has come at the expense of being perceived as a nice guy.
Well, I mean,
Winning has a price, and leadership has a price. So I pulled people along when they didn't want to be pulled. I challenged people when they didn't want to be challenged. And I earned that right because my teammates came after me. They didn't endure all the things that I endured.
Michael Jordan is down in pain.
When people see this, they're going to say, well, he wasn't really a nice guy. He may have been a tyrant. No, well, that's you. Because you never won anything. I wanted to win, but I wanted them to win and be a part of that as well. Look, I don't have to do this. I'm only doing it because it is who I am. That's how I played the game. That was my mentality. If you don't want to play that way, don't play that way.